Today's video is in support of Cook with Compassion, an organization that raises funds for the Ottawa Food Bank. What's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. Happy Canada Day! So, in celebration of our country turning another year older, I thought I'd make a cool little parfait. It's red, white, and tasty all over. Let's get started. Okay, so listen, the first thing that you want to do actually takes place the day before. So you're going to add some strawberries to a saucepan, some water, vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg, and some sugar, maple syrup in this case. You're going to mix that all up, let it boil, bubble, get the strawberries all soft and all of that. Then what you're going to do is strain the strawberries. You're going to squeeze out the juice, and then you're going to add some of that juice to your chia seeds and make a strawberry chia seed pudding. The recipe for that is in the description below. I made it about 2 weeks ago, so you'll get to see how to do it there. But the ingredients on how to do it are also down below. Once you've got that prepared, stick it into the fridge and leave it for the next day. All right, so the oven is preheating at 350 degrees. I have a pan here that is greased and lined with parchment paper, so that is ready to go. The next thing I'm going to do is take the white wine vinegar and add that to the almond milk. And then I'm just gonna let that hang out, those two, for about 5 minutes while we get on to the next part. Next are the dry ingredients. So, take a sieve, your bowl, you're gonna take your flour, your spices, your baking powder, and your baking soda, and your sugar. I'll add all of that in there. Nice. Cool. And shake it out. Anything that's left behind, just squeeze it through, don't worry about it. It's all good. Oh, except for the hard part, like that. All right, take your sieve, your whisk, thank you. I don't know what's going on today, y'all, my gosh. Take your whisk, quickly mix that up, that's done. Okay, let's move on. All right, so it's been 5 minutes, the almond milk and vinegar are ready to go. So before I add them to the dry, I'm going to add in the vanilla extract and the oil. Now I'm using canola, see? Wow. Okay, so I'm using canola oil, but feel free to use any oil, vegetable oil. Try to stay away from olive oil just because it's got a really strong flavor. If that's all you got, then so be it. All right, that is mixed up, ready to go. Very simple. You know how I love these quick and easy recipes. Add it to the dry and stir just until incorporated. All right, this is ready to go. There you go. All right, so take your pan, your spatula, pour it all out onto the pan. So you can use your spatula to smooth it out if you want. Get it to all the corners. I know it's gonna look thin, but don't worry about it. It's gonna work out in the end, trust me. Oven is ready to go. This is going to go into it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on it, starting at the 15-minute mark. Stick a fork in there, stick a toothpick, make sure it comes out dry. Let's go! Parfait construction time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos, just like this one. We are living through some horribly insane times right now, everybody, so be good to each other, and I will see you in the next video, right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.